Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Bluetooth device on Motorola Moto G52. Let's go! Okay guys, so what we need to do is easy. We need to have Bluetooth device, like my AirPods for example, and then we go here to Bluetooth, we swipe down, then pair new with, I forgot, when you have AirPods you need to click twice here on this dot that gives, so it is white, like right now. You probably can see it because of the light, but trust me, it's white. Then we wait. AirPods Find My, we click it, then we click pair, and as you can see, the light is green. It is paired. Yes, you can see that it's paired. Thank you guys for watching. That's how you connect device on Motorola Moto G52 using Bluetooth. Thank you guys again for watching, and goodbye.